Good morning, everyone, from Jeff's Little Engine Service. So here we have a Craftsman DLM lawnmower with a Honda engine, and the problem with it is that it won't turn off. So that's kind of a rare problem to encounter. Usually they won't turn on, but this one won't turn off. So with these small engines, there's only a few things that could be. So the coil, or the magneto on these small engine, it sparks when the flywheel magnet passes it, unless it's grounded. And that's what stops the engine or that's what stops the spark, is when you ground the coil. And there's usually just one wire that goes to the coil. It's your kill wire or your ground wire. So the fact that this one won't turn off makes me think that there's something wrong with the kill switch or the kill wire. And then boom, look what I found. Can you see that? That wire that goes to your little kill switch is no longer connected. This little connector right here. And you can see it connects to this little black box, which is your kill switch, part of your kill switch. So we need to reconnect that little wire. It's pretty tough to get back in there, so I'm going to use my long needle nose pliers here. There we go. So I noticed that this wire fits kind of loose on there, so I'm going to go ahead and squeeze it a little bit, pinch it, and that should restore it so it'll fit tight again. So there we go. Let's test this baby out.